Good afternoon. Welcome to Ideas GH TV. This is Showbiz Bars in the Rabbi. So about hot gossip. Today is the 8th of April. On the April, now say yes, April. Me ba na me no agenda ba onye bibia. Oye me birth month. Me birthday or April. It's gift no Ideas GH. Yene studio no wahade. If you come VIP junction, eba. And as the little man had the gift no I at about average our studio had a SCC can gift to me birthday gift no no yes April we had it now they're starting at the gift no ba and this week to see Easter but then because of coronavirus into no I start but on your she no anyways you better know now Tuesday we came your way with Showbiz Bars but then due to some technical hitches kakwe into no minim dey yem wo mu bi bebre ho a went to one share video na enwie awon so awo share no so na problem kakra bi wo this year I fix am on enwa dey bi ameka che on there ye pede show no aye good into no so wo hu ye na na so dey ye ko off kakra o do hu dey ye siesie bibia ye so na be ya yeba also won enu abaji bibia wo be hwe bia so won enu abaji. Well, my name is Sikaoman and this is Showbiz Bars, your favorite show at this time of the hour. Now we were just one, but before that no I would like to remind you that you are watching us live on Facebook, so make sure that you share what you're watching and also tag some friends, and also you can send in your comments. You can get interactive with us via our social media platforms at IdeaJ TV, not just on Facebook but also on YouTube. Go there and subscribe to our channel, and Twitter and Instagram. Enjoy Twitter and Instagram. I also have pictures, all the nice pictures, all the sexy ones. Ideas here it's crooning now you go. So when you go, you just get interactive with us. If you don't hear your business, be also you send us a message and you be your business no. Well, to our e-news for today. In some braces after Tuesday, yaba had no. In some braces we had na one atmosphere no my tense because they be an by coronavirus COVID-19 and some other. So we thought today be our entertainment industry no waba pause yenya shada news and answer the Bibian kodo. But then some beef available. Minim soya beef or soya chicken or soya pork. Me who so spices net to then on the chin you better discuss na you. Now firstly, young call yene asema me beke or let me promise me yena ma can ye na say. Well, I'm sure you all know what's been going on. It's been trending on social media, especially on Twitter and Facebook for since Monday. Enjoy. You show anyway, you know. Well, Saturday, Tuesday we discussed, Monday we discussed about behind the heads. Saturday initiative I was here celebrating producers behind some of our biggest hits in GH. Since 19 but then all of a sudden Saturday dropping you be enjoy. No but the adores so beef sauce near very hot. It's popping, it's very hot, it's boiling now. And you know this song now this song my in some like no not directed to one cheddar yehu Sub-Zero yehu say. But people think it's a diss song, but Sarkodie out about Rebecca that it's not a diss song. Now Sarkodie released the song never Branny Shatta Wale Oba out Oba Becca there in an interview. Oba Becca there, he's very disappointed in Sarkodie there at this point, at this crucial moment. COVID-19 Jiriasa Fanengi na Wama Bibia but stand still no. Sarkodie pede or initiate beef. Na Shatta Wale and you mean so confused what is so Sarkodie am holding woman and obo Branny na yanta na obo Shatta and obo Wale and obo Esen and obo Papa we don't know. But then Shatta so say that you know Shatta and tell you but with the noise and everything around it no over there he's very disappointed in Sarkodie for releasing such a song because he feels that it's a diss song and this is not the time for them to have this battle because already now your battle more than your battlefield this year. Your battlefield is humanity versus a virus, COVID-19. Yeah, fighting point either COVID-19 or pedoya or win, but I didn't give him their own win. Humanity be win over COVID-19. But all the same, that is what has been going on. And also, the Madi na nature bay, no one sends some nature and then some account on social media, people talking and all, and then no one send baby, and I shatawale ya, la so was about today. Hey, so Sako dear Nim, that's was also throw jabs at him again. Oh no, Sako about Bruno. This time around, I lyrically, physical banter, there, face to face though. You bet you who is the man, in strength, not lyrically and not musically. Now, young Konya watch a video no on Shatawale. I was send a warning to Sakode. Yeah, by about your
Hey, Sakode, I did tell you something. If you go to do, you go jab. Me, I go beat you. I go, hey, this is not a report for police station. I go beat you, make they lock me. I go beat you. Me boo. We are calling, what's that? We are besides another. Me boo. Me boo. Because I say, you know, they think. In times of corona, maybe another time where they do me this beef thing, I go take them normal. But time where people they die, you won't come confuse. If you say president they watch Twitter where they say the musicians they fight, they do beef. If you say go John man, it was the people add me to this foolish music industry way they. You know they see the way God they work. They ban me, John Melo, a whole lot of people. They say they ban Shatawale, they ban me, so John a whole lot of people. Right now, coronavirus ban everybody. Me, my God, are the worshiper. I no sleep.
So there you have it. That was the man, Shatawale. Yeah, Shatawale. Then I seen the Faith concert, a virtual one. Only about 130,000 views. Hey, brand new. Only just go. And I still actually don't know yet the MS COVID-19. You were howling now. Also don't know the still kasa no do kasa na sako Shatawale o kana ma asemi na social media why butu obi ade kanaji na for the ma asemi ho and then guy Archipelago first na kono na Shatawale nka we very fine only ya nyom maybe eje ya oye ya obodi dini now no we parties we two parties all of a sudden konkoran everything just basa on so about today. So Shatawale is not about brosa called the ono Archipelago. Ono so about bro Shatawale na Shatawale no nya den. Oh yan kwa Archipelago asan can ya buy about it.
Hey, ne pan mo say on. Shatawale on. We you crossing rough, we Jimmy for rough. Na ni bresa called the rough. Wo so be bosa called the. Now you be man na obetima bo no. Wo popular boy. Wo nya man for na source to do a chianka wo obi. Who minimum who melbo who Shatawale was melbo hell be any chili SM for one you know be and so home minister Shatawale be mammy meneno my bro fucking way attention we popular boy ade a wo bebo sa akode na wo tu nim nyansa no we na mu dinachi say na why SM kwase asem bia na mo so wo bebo sa akode me so melbo wo menu bi mo nim say metima bo wo na so de hufuo omo nimu no mo suro kwasi ala si aden a wo bebo sa akode efe de aduru no wo de nya jimi no mutimu amu gina chi no boy ni jimi no mo kan che no mo so no so wo no so bebo sa akode kwasi aman kwasi ni abompachi malantine be ma
yeah so that was Archipelago as you see as another so other musician all also starting him na but you know releasing na share dislikes na likes na then very long also no that was Archipelago also next someone okay now in the interview na Shatawale on a TV station he also mentioned something aside there why disappointed in Sarkodie for releasing such a song at this crucial moment also kade he blames Hip Life grandpapa. Yes, Reggie Rockstone. Yeah, out 2G, refused to grow Reggie. Also blame no. Blame Reggie there. Reggie akwa for rap da bagana. no ama the likes of Sako de no wa fa no what ye did they will chrome ha chede na rap na lampo anya da painful what ada what high life na this epidemic be said Regina Kofa rap bay and now is it just a hip life rap no new system nim dada just that no should anya popular and already obey a hip life na da ma even hip life tag na kwampa what out to Regina do no kwampa no nkofu hagi there onye Regina Kofa hip life bay. But then all the same, Okada no register so the nice about out. Also that we have very good impact on Ghanaian music and that is hip life and rap. Into no as much as Tawale Canada or who because Tawale Nanga so started no or started with rap bandana from Ghana or started bandana or started with rap. Ah Nanga sa Reggie Rockstones there. Nenyum na di na no Shatawale or the neka home. Then no a bandana. So why is Shatawale coming out today to say that rap no onyada or sell or Ghana or yada mkofute? Rap is not the Ghana music ako international and onya rap and or dancer. Na wait rap awo yam kwani kwankokoshe Reggie Rockstone on so message kakrebia or the send Shatawale.
Fact, let's rewind again. You started off as a rapper. Ima bandana. And that's how that was your whole transition. Now, another thing you got to remember is that dancehall is not too far from rap, excepao. In fact, from the very inception of hip life, dancehall has always been walking side by side with hip life or hip hop. You know, I remember General Marcus was right there in the cut. When I did Sweetie Sweetie, Ruta was in the cut. Black Prophet, including yourself, you know. Intino ima. See, I can't. A homedy there be rap impact shit. I mean, I was picking up choral wars when motherfuckers ain't even held a mic. You know, wait, hold up. It is through rap that I was able to pull in an international collaboration with one of your mentors, the king of dancehall Beanie Man. That was rap. Oh wait, hold up. I pulled in another one, Wyclef. International megastar. That was through rap. That's a huge impact.
That was a hip life grandpapa, Reggie Rockstone. Weighing yeah, he's above 60, but still now strong. Moja da hunde fusan wonu strong kama fine man. I am I am my dream. But then I am fine man, even though I am grandpapa, but still I am fine man. It's not the most now all trend was social media. When I mean my dear dear you know, I don't make us so now my person na with Abraham when now on so I entertain. Now and then some no. Or also, but then you're breaking it down for you guys. So never your time no so no. On should die the time, madam. Now, and then on some of your baba can on your tin be on should I at all will be ye beside at this crucial time, no, into my artist when you're creative enough to produce content. Because in some people who are in Kofi break at the time what they the munumi, on your time what they the madi, and the time what they. Let's just say then. Well, today Magic Joy so or had a wabakayan and so had a yeah, discuss Nina, and also we talk a little bit about VGMA because how I am because of coronavirus need to know either Yamai style kakrebi. But then we are asking this year and why the VGMA has just 3 options. Either there this year and what's there why cancel for now. It has been suspended for now until further notice, maybe until coronavirus bako. Now should we wait for coronavirus to just for this pandemic to just go and then we start with our awards or virtual because on the 22nd of March, just last month International Reggae and World Music Awards. Yes, 2020, Obado. That was the 38th edition. Obado, Jamaica, or Kingston. Now, even though coronavirus, where the cutting room, we are self and no, where no virtual form, or behind the scenes, it's no was streaming a live. There was a live linker, a clear connector, then you watch it live. Now, why announce winners? No, it's no yada in Domo, we try tickets now, we call in Domo, no, I got now one uncle for so do how could you chew, no, common virus, maybe. Now, it's either that VGMS will adopt this method. Now, yeah, hold the VGMS. And also there, you better cancel VGMA 2020 entirely. No, so only you cancel it. I'm actually, Ebony is still the artist of the year. Actually, why artist of the year for 3 years? Hey, obey your home. The first time I be CRJ artist of the year, no, now I'm going to watch now. I can't do. Well, you were discussing in our studio now. Make sure that you send us your comments and also share and then let us know your views. Maybe don't what had so come on, madam. Magic.
Sika.
Men can't share me that.
Official pa.
And the young official.
This month, I say we do birthday.
On a Monday, na major official pani.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Apo we.
I'm not doing.
Now, what do you have to say? You know. I don't know about
white over month.
Oh, saying.
Oh, Monyansa.
Oh, Yadam. Oh, I love Bakokra. But Empede, baby, I accept because I accept today they are cry girls, one castle. Some actual.
And then,
may you want to know about you, the can you move?
No, Mojandama. And then I said, bread. Let me say one on our show, will be on show, open our show, it's open. What was I came here? Let me see there. Minim
say be what you are there high different show be a high showbiz bars a hano you can entertainment minim say we
free questions
minim say be we free there yeah showbiz bars
you are party you are best kaka banku if you are there open a show it's open the field or busa mama no town how is getting in our monty to be able to
Wash.
Sika.
Magic.
That's all you're saying then.
Kasa.
But first of all, I don't want to be biased. Most of the times, Shatawala can send me an so and you that doesn't mean to them penasem.
Okay.
Are you getting me? So with this there are one of two things we have to straight it in one line. I'm a banana bono, and I want to make sure be there. I don't yet.
Over left and over right.
Everybody is responsible to his own adibia baby. As I'm like that, no, say a young one say baby on you, useless baby on you more. No, so going to cry, so all responsible because I work so action, no decision take key.
David.
I have some American. Oh, let's say we have some American. And everybody is accountable to adibia baby as be a.
Okay.
It's all. But what no example I'm making no more young. Honestly, I think Sako de Ohana also why Sub-Zero and then answer them Sub-Zero platform. Now, if you could come boy here and I say, this song. I'm saying this song we don't actually you reply Chewaba.
Oh, but Sack says it's not this song.
I'm coming. Some moving in America.
Okay.
I'm so you are maybe Waba.
System no my hot to do. You already release the stress.
Oh, social media in terms of serious. Oh, no, I'm reasons why though. Why the there though? Anna, Sika, maybe that no day and you never meet but this is a normal song. But if you normal, at least I'll be able to mark.
I can show be the mando.
Yeah, I'm going to walk over the mando. Or put a shake system like a name with a mopoda and Yamadma tried it. They do someone some this abon there. And what the now or don't know. And I say, so on board no. So why must you respond? There.
Oh, but then sometimes
to a certain to a certain level, I should say you are still a robber. I said that you are Bob Bruno, which is nonsense.
Magic tea. Say, and you'll be what relationship will be. Depending on how our own relationship need to know. If the person throws jumps at you, maybe not directly, maybe Wambo would, but then you know that it is for you.
No, and you see one aspect Shatawale or Kasana or Mambufu, I'm here furious this time, you know, this song. And Sako the uncle that you want this one or this will be. If somebody underground is scrap, I'm putting a couple of more.
No, but in some of Sako they care with me.
Oh.
About our now what this to know.
I wish I copyright tissue and Cababo you actually listeners. Sorry, like a fool. Nanka will tell you. My body now.
But so was a
cushion. Apart from the apple now, oh yeah, or board, when poor board dance or king. A bonny dinner woman, or this, or bonny, when I go a bonny dinner woman. Samini scatterby on body. Obiara no master on body.
No, but say any
day. Shatawale, I wonder Shatawale our better timer. Obi this obi.
Na say magic, na say o crucial time.
No, crucial bad times.
No, coronavirus happen Kofi.
Obian can.
And then we are come to talk about this.
Obian ka time, Obian to minchi Obiara there on here them timing. I want to watch madam nya. Obian to Obian to Obi want to share ideas TV nya.
Oh, but then we have to put humanity first.
No, we are doing a normal program. Yeah, normal program. Oban there, there coronavirus. We talk about it. Oban there is sensitizing for there can some maybe level dangerous and no akoya. We talk about it. But yeah, program obi to China there remember China can do total lockdown. On see media house and still our program still continues. When there na ID card say you come so the police in there. You idea TV on actual na be program. They echo as in dream. So Shatawale and then Shatawale time I will be this will be. My God.
I feel that this is not a wrong time.
No.
It's just normal time.
Normal times. There's a time I'll be a food up in you to my ear. I can't apply your faith concert to be so corner.
Oh, but that was to release stress, to release attention.
Very good. The same thing applies to Sako there to release stress and tension in the system. Simple, Sika, simple. Me want to Shatawale. Nuko kwa suwa ichi. Akwasha university. Aston now over there. Or blame on the hip life banners. Hip life among of me. Utumo kasa ukrum hade. Nonsense. Dance or Ghana or I said African dance or dance or king or young journal. On Jamaican phone or coffee buyer. So what are you talking about? I will see some dance on a page.
Nah, this is
I Afrobeat. But I call it take them necessary, them phone necessary. Sorry.
Oh no, magic! I can't on your phone and your phone.
You see,
I know be no I on your phone.
Mamma cash them show.
I had a papa de bianco for bashing no for your say.
But the part of the being with the sister, Obo, Jamaica, go. We have a bunch of Jamaica, go. Don't you get us some man? And Tony put a party on them. But Shatawale, I want to find our followers or I want to meet child that will be on your Krumahadi. The president got tweet by the president who come there 2 artists now no more about
no but magic kono na make there depending on the relationship and in obi one say nipa kono also jumps up to you even indirectly you know that
when you are someone so who are you now we know where you from when you are someone obo you know them hip life be name hip life you the be am usu ye be na bo pay bandana Mandana mo Ghana mo ko bia system no survive na kokko share Ezra for 10 years and you had my SLO sisi made down so na rebrand ho Shatawale na start there well ko follow bo na sisi we do pepper today you think you have money you think you have money everything I have money my swimming pool my this I will not see this is akode I saw on cocaine or lead fake life or you on him I go put my wife Tracy. I bet you that can. Why do you want kasa? Why do you want kasa? Because in there some people in here, sakode. Why are you mess or yawo? People, I want for support. You keep about about she's so be out but we are fools. You know answer. We support sakode anymore. You are doing why is this? We are fools. You know get sense. We don't get money into any answer. Oh, Shatawale.
Well, enough of
sometimes no. Sometimes I pity him. I'm telling you.
You pity Shatawale?
Yes, I'm telling you.
Dada.
I pity him. We are still on. Nobody knows tomorrow. Anything can change at any time. Don't say you have money today and you are bragging. You about to to a boy one, but to a drain who we are some skinny.
Still that's why investment or businesses.
Still, you will sell your investment and still.
Maybe I can that.
No. That is life. Make career. That is life. You'll be what you know the one. And if you have sense, you understand me. So if you have money, don't brag. Say I will feel that if I scat no one. Until no behave them now, there is the most useless person on earth. I'm telling you.
Magic.
Or you'll be the whole is the most unsensible. I'm telling you. Because you think you have money, so you can insult anybody and go away. Then this is your behavior because you have money. The Shatawale doesn't. I'm telling you, he's the most unwise person on earth. Because of your money, so you can come on, go on Facebook and see so be a just like that. No, you don't do that.
No, but
come on.
Is entitled to his
no. But not to extend there. If the Sakwada I had not song for support now, you come out and come and what told him the song is a good song. You come out and talk there. We are foolish people. You don't have sense because you don't have money. You have money, so we are foolish people. I'm quoting that. We are foolish people. Come on, Siga. Let's be Ghana and I want to be idea.
Yeah, in idea.
Very good. No be idea. Until be I know about too much of Binodo. This is a fact. Be I know about too much of Binodo. Everybody to free. Everybody to free. No, you be up. But then you're your task.
Oh, but say kadam so
yes, until be on to me show be no do there.
Right.
You come and show me. I will to my chairman that mean them timing. No. There, coronavirus use people are dying, and you come out and come and do this song, what this way. So if I see you on the street, I'll beat you. You're on my level. I want any level no crack. Come on. Vibes Katampo, who do your role model? Vibes Katel. I was Shatawali. Vibes Katampo, who do your role model? You are served, or the one, so the one the jail, so the one who do your role model. Them person when you answer. Then you come on TV, radio, Facebook, come and insult. So make a Vibes Katampo, everyone I can do your role model.
Oh yeah.
Vibes Katampo when you're 45 years. I when you're 35 years.
No, musically.
Who the Vibes Katampo your role model? Or the only point the jail can pay who do your role model.
Yeah, for morals and now, Shatawale mentioned something about impact. Time I now also jobs at Reggie Rockstone. Also the rap and hip life nankasa no should impact to be out. On impact na Reggie nankasa on your impact on Ghana music no do on any positive impact to be I'm a Reggie so why can it also at the time no on your international collaborations with Biniman and Nankasa Shatawale Nankasa as a role model like someone he looks up to. And a Wyclef Jean so also so on any collaborations into no so okay impact on all your baby on the Reggie went on and on or kind of employment now we are going to look at impact or your introduction of rap music or hip hop no and as the Reggie so hip life and also when on our music industry. Magic, do you think that this introduction when any positive
simple Reggie Rockstone hip life impact you go for two pair from baby
okay
for two pair
okay
the best example
okay
or a sack there na VIP
okay VIP as see Reggie Nankasa ko from why VIP
no see he's no more with VIP anymore
okay yeah
for VIP let me for what can that sack there Nankasa for example
okay
VIP did one of the biggest songs in Africa that's a song selling Ghana.
That was in the 2000s.
Yes, selling Ghana through Nigeria. Every place, lot of Nigerian movies
okay.
So what is he talking about? For Sarkodie, an example. Sarkodie is the biggest Fante rapper, tree rapper in Africa. Obioka trio, but he was able to sell rap music globally. Why could BET? Black Entertainment Awards. What I would dance so now or him fan. I was starting that I don't know. I was reggae. Come on. It's no stone when you started one. Stone when you do it in a local. We just started about BET. I both. I was there as Mansa Musa, a feature, one also
Vibes.
Vascata, who's Vascata?
Oh, dance all legend.
Oh, come on. Who's Shaggy Numna, Shabarang Sinum, one future one day, yes, I look, Bini Man, the future, they look when him. Now, who's Vascata?
Oh, but then we can't, no, magic. Vibes today. You can dance all, you can't take vibes out from the list.
Maybe a current dancer artist. Now, you can dance artist.
Oh, but
some people like Bini Man, Sean Paul, who, one body, more than nobody. I mean, who is Vascata?
Actually, I would say,
Africa, Chambas scattering my popular idea, but scattering being there, if I've scattered, watch them. It's an idea.
On some military.
No, that be dancer. But look at the shagging in your Christian, but not about this year. Entomba.
Magic Theodore.
Maybe so. Magic Theodore. Some pollen to say, you can watch Shabaran said, Shabbat, look at about Bini Man and Bini Man. Look at about Movada and you, but Movada and you. If you shall kiss him, come look at Bonnie, you put up on him. No, that's got a bonum cruises, or be a problem on this year. So somebody, I'm making a feature artist about Scatara, me on Shrine on Chemdam. Inti, you use them Kofi being Pempo, for example, VIP and of Sakodi and Ankasa. That is a big artist in Africa when him know. I call Europe when him know. I call Jamaica, they know him. Sorry, I call baby Pia, US, they know Sakodi. So I was on a catch him there. Hip life has not making impact. No, come on. Hip life, Reggie Stone. No, hear them on the boys, you want to at all. No, Reggie Stone. Boys in a pure hip life, you want to at all. But tried the year and a lot of young as though Chicago. Go for the follow the hip life and also so ma, a bra for the Bello Kenyan Bay, Kunti Dilawa, go for me also so ma. Also so ma or someone could go for someone would them level or by a Sam or by a go for baby also so much Castro, Kofi cannot go for you anymore or by also quite Eugene also so man is able to them level.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So I catch him there, you just don't find that now rappers for her all the he's not the first rapper in Ghana, but he's one of guys or by your name I didn't to hip life was no because I name I didn't to hip life. Since you're young with no, this is the time or by and was so make impact. Or the rap in the bell make impact to so mama, or for business so much a Saminum, or a cake for soon, obey Bodo as a singer, but tried to obey hip life, or Brafo, Adam Kofun, Kofi, Joe Freezanum, lot of artists. Okay. Obey was so man, book back in the bay, for X4, Castro, Tic Tac. Kofi, obey was so man, no, hip life, but or massage in Kakanka, one massage and Mr. Wood, them level. I don't come using can promise kidney. Sorry, kidney. Kofu fast so mama say would them level. A rap under rap kofu so kofi kilatanum of so rap mama sister hip life. That's the hip life ni bia. Still we are still managing hip life and high life in the far from the man who would do them level. So say I catch them there say Reggie Stone ono or the hip life in the band and go on rap music no go for the sacco there wakasa won to make say no I don't have but sacco there is sacco there bad artist that pono is a bad artist he's doing well for himself. Okay. Rappers are doing well for themselves. Talk about boy Kofi can start okay then rap what do label now massage now do different level and he's doing well for himself and most of the rappers Ntem bi so that me the sakwa na kuti if so work that rap boys here boy Joe B num na de we rap na oya Papa Kojo na we rap na oya Papa Kojo oba aba na the start hip hop real or no but he was able to sell until he said okacham there rappers when you be obi ti the sakwa there me just say rap the wabe then you dey win pandemia maka asembo oka nanga so start rap no start contradict no one put near away.
Well, yeah, also had let's read some comments, okay. Becky Stone also big ups to you guys, well done, okay, yeah. And Rosemary Afeni also watching us live inside Takrade. Big shouts to you as well. Thank you for watching. And also Emmanuel Yao, yeah, Kinsman, okay, Kinsman or Shagek and Pabuano Equa or Ben Fine African designs now they Jamaican design, so a pedancehall design. Design be a pebia, Kingsman or a Greek, or Kojo Chrome Caten Road in the Dopana, answer neighbor to Caten Junction, no. I go junction inside the Bisa, Kingsman or be any no. The Bisa Kingsman or Nequa, Umpabuano, or Ben Fine. What to Tumpa or Fako, or Ben full crime, now also I shall now on the NASA fell. Also, I share now big ups to you, Kingsman. And Derek Kojo Tete. Also, the magic is making sense. Okay, magic. Sister, that should be a better fan club. I don't know fans now doors to pa. Yeah, big ups to you. Thank you, Kojo, for watching. Elements, Kwesi, Esiedu, yeah, elements. Also, Bosu, yeah, 100%. Wale want attention now. He's okay. You don't forget to know Yate. Also, Chatawale don't attention, no pay. It's now, you don't forget to Chatawale. You forget to Shatawale and Shatawale put the nurse and put the Yakadayaka. Yeah, we in the magic was all because magic no Shatawale. No. Now, your time, no, yeah, so now, you have this conversation just for about 2-3 minutes when I wrap up, and that's so show, no. Now, VGMA, initially, you started on America about international reggae and world music. Our in 22nd year March yam. Our numpoma Stone Boy Owini Award and also Fancy Gadam, yes. Totally cheat. That guy and also Owini Award. Well, award, you know, because of coronavirus, need to know, and yet one go through the normal process. Nkofuko ho no workers na ho. Musicians were performing. I don't know. It was held online. You know, they just announced the winners for this. You know. No announcing, link no, a click on it, and then you go straight to the live feed and now to question. Now that was what went on. Our Jamaica, Kingston to be precise. Now, because of coronavirus, our biggest award show Ghana had you can argue, but then it stands as the biggest because it has stand the
test of time.
The test of time actually. Well, I'll go through a lot, but then still, after 20 years, I think they deserve all the applause that I remember when I really trouble one because I want so I had it on easy. But Ghana for no, I didn't know, but please, you know, I had then, you know, so I had the Nankasa magic be our had it. On the a done it, then pardon Darby. Well, VGM, we know because of coronavirus, you know, are suspended for now. Now, questions are you saying the yen coronavirus because in this season and call awards because 3 music so now also worry about like different events and all. Now this season and the first quarter of the year no now but then unfortunately no corona also the no bedi masisi airports nina. Now what we are asking is that yen corona anko na yen awards no and also there yen adopt this system of virtual online one no you watch it live you stream and also scout and also there yen scrapping entirely yen suspended this year didn't entirely naturally this year naturally this year yen VGM this year yen music awards. What are your thoughts? Send us your thoughts now. What you think about this now? Yemba Studio Magic.
That's it.
What do you think about this?
I think say award no for now no sisi ayenim ada obe kade normal activities should go on because sisi even Kumasi and Accra tema is locked now and ended up the news no the hour kade numbers ni woloki numbers ni shoot no ako 287 and I mean this month look because end of this month there yabano obokosoro pa so all is stable kakana chira nyankopon nado but they are
because incubation period
they are graph on incubation period nyina tina this month adoko enter 15 16 17 18 19 0
I wanna what Kenya be na afi na over show
so symptoms bia obu mponim do obi but nti na sisi a takwada had any testing center wa had so go for testing very lucky there obia nshira onye bi wa hade yenti do obia nye bi wa hade nti e da yankopon ase and na one of the doctors said if say so to shutu Kosuru the next 2 days and a week. And for the next week, so shoot to Kosuru. Imagine if you have 300, 350, and the 320, and then the whole country must lock down. And then a Wuhan and then a Wutum lockdown where you for that where normal activities are starting to go on. Somewhere Christmas in
before Christmas.
Before Christmas in
China. Well, yeah, I think before October, November there.
No, I don't start here until one po show pa. What tomorrow Astro no pa we into one po number of months are we there sana. Normal activities are start. For me, Akamankuti anka. It depends on sponsors no VGM. It depends on sponsors no scour down more one. If say you into my issue now, then you have to take our money back. Or they will tell the event or shut out said okay, keep the money, then you can do it if Jamie I do not say virus no. This year until June, July, and I said everything is offer. You're not able to my NBA. On your bond with my no, maybe November. October, November, because this is your election year. I get me. Lot of artists say, from the December, from the July, let's see, BBI do the campaign will go on. Attention, so say if the sponsor catch there, oh, okay, give me my money. So this year, so because of coronavirus, because this year I'm confused to data pa, this year, Muska Kakao, another back. Oh, okay, then keep the money, do it next year. I think. On your bad, but you see, I don't think that we better obey and to the message other Jamaica forward online dinner air canal. Okay. I don't think so because as of now, I'm going to tell you
for
what's up VGM? Are you getting me? I'm about to tell you
magic.
I know. What about the shoes? Auto bags, auto red. Designer suit.
Okay.
Papa, they go there. Obashako shoes now. They Obashako VGM. This year, Wambado. Ewa. Inti with me no. If say Akamankuti anka, we should hold on.
For now.
For now, activities should hold because if you can post every academy in Russia, about time now, voting the party number start. Although take about within 1 month and send a voting and start after voting no. Organize. This year's your election year. You might be able to and even a successful event like that. So with me, so I come on and they should hold on next year. Unless I work at the next year, you as I say, 2021, let's say we to organize that, then organize it peacefully. And then
no. Oh, magic, no, 2021, no, you're hosting it, yeah. 2020, then another year. Yes, stop 2020, then 2021.
People are still releasing songs. Wow.
Now why between 2019 to 2020 no award
let's say coronavirus actually them it's very unfortunate because I don't affect affect business big time business in affect now I won't affect now
okay
are you getting me I don't affect go one big time business what risk or you be in hotels big hotels are or there was sack workers more Kofi we been poor without salaries now because it been or the squad or more from more big hotels or the are you getting where I'm coming from big industries or the more workers now Kofi because of corona and because he's not operating he can't pay
but magic this is workers. An error this is you need those and early 2000s I bet there are other options. No, this is a natural disaster. On your day, I dare wash and I will see. It's affecting the whole world. And so it affects even football, almighty football. In the betting companies, I will lose this car. Almighty football campo was shutting it down. You know, most of the betting companies was even where your sponsors were radio dinner. They have stopped. So radio stations are losing money. TV stations are losing money. The STV is losing money because there's no go subscribe because there's no football. Reason go subscribe Ghana had subscribe DSC is football and they are not see I'm go football when for mobile could be ado until obia nkoto DSC until they are losing money. Obi dey nke bia nka this or this time or almost every day we need to order. Every day we catching the word to need the code. Very good because only time of football no be start. Spain, Japan wakoso, Europe, Italy wakoso, Germany. Wow, so we shouldn't even try to do the virtual one.
No.
Yeah.
Let's you forget BBR. Let's forget BBR. You forget BBR. On the bank country, you forget BBR. And people are still releasing. Now you try next year what will happen. Man, I'm from by man. Are you getting me? Into with what can there because a man for 1 human a day, 1 human a day. You find the okay the VGM so to break.
Yeah.
What can okay see your sponsors into me you have a bit why.
Okay.
Whatever can choose that we don't have money to sponsor you guys. What will you guys do?
Okay.
The events more there you have to because Western Music Award in Adina. You want awards and you want to Foresight, other Foresight Videos Award, Western Music Award, Cape Coast Music Award, most of the regions Music Award, awards in here. Even Istanbul will postpone Easter.
Obviously, just as near you who postpone someone Sunday jams. Hey, Ghanaians, you guys.
Easter, almighty Easter, or your bini.
Yes, so I'm sorry.
Yes, no, or your bini, the source of no. Nanka, Easter day, Honor Bishop to Ocho Bayer, or your lady band.
Yeah, because you say, confess, Kofi, I start to watch it.
Okay. Those things in and you find the white that got a guy who I remember to Mrs. So. Don't I don't know for father.
Okay.
Upon your boy only be about you being
okay, this message. Okay, Brad said also Bisa has the Western Music Award. Yeah. Yeah, you also spend you can't know what day. Naturally, Brad said they are showbiz.
You suspended that.
You also suspended. Until further notice because of into the this year more time to go back to the drawing board.
But I think it's one of the test times that you are see especially Ghana it's this time we can't. Are they able to in Ankasa manufacture? Those no there could be where ventilators, them decide time. You can say, because Thailand, US also on exporting. They are not exporting. So what do you have to do? You have to depend on my one wahade. And this is a time a man who do or wise no farmers or establish local businesses no productions na dey today yam ekunfi abada
factory
this is the time and one do one if you hu adan ka why pa.
Okay,
so corona na dey this is the time we enu amu the lesson for we Ghanaians and Africa and other nkoko. Yeah, so event na dey although the event away won is all right, but mawaba na obi anu ho lecture no nti I think let's pray for next year another after about 3-4 months time you ask the and we see how we move on.
All right, so that is it. Magic George na also watch church and Adrian Wohono. Now let me say this. Okay, happy birthday to Ayaram's B. Yeah,
April for those power.
Hey, April for the doso. Yeah, doso squad and doso what's Corona. Oh, Corona do that.
I'm wondering about try to Facebook there. All I see a video party no here and we invite him, but me the videos. Me know that or party. But this is here. So this case me also this year put call it but Corona. Oh, and Chen and this year April for you na you go continental spaghetti and indomie join to one. Okay, na you go any a party. But then ni now see ewa mo be see bia yeah on save ye be your party in the ye April for na ye be your party magic why na dey your them by force was special
I dey your wala ye April born na me April born for yan kasa
July born sakode
my yan kasa na say yeah. So happy birthday going out to you Ayaram Zibi ye bon pede yankopon onkoda no sure na hate no so ye retwan ewa na indomie no so anka mi we na ka da aba because we am na magic na nka ya ba mu ahade na nchi yidi but on yehwe ye baba ho ni ya baba be
hwe TV straight ban
magic o asemerike itika oh saka happy birthday babe watch ade bia ana wo birthday nchade
because I don't fancy birthday parties unless Osida would home. I was born on Friday, but Osida would home there. I normally
Friday.
Friday. On why would I
Kofi for. Ona not to win. I wanna Magic represent to one Kofi for. And also
Kofi be disappointed one.
Mpacho. I mean okay, speedy recovery to Oye host of Insensem Jumedi. In Insensem Jumedi a show we are all IDHA TV had we talk about social issues, political issues, and what's going on in our economy and all that. You know, your new host Oye na nama bwedua. No fun, enjoy.
Oh, sorry. No, sorry.
No fun.
What speed?
How about it?
What speed?
Young couple and sorry, but I speedy recovery to you now. Yeah, one pair there on your
Don't you, man?
No.
No, everybody, the corona. I think what I can say is true. On your man,
Mr. Abon Pad on your this serious.
If you're on your man, I don't know.
Magic to matter hang it's a speedy recovery going out to you. Nanama Bwedua, and also I wanna wash in April boy see happy birthday to you guys. Young one Monday, your birthday will show you though. Missy Monday, I'm not bahade. Some pressure be I'm about to go on. I want you ready for me. And I'm Magic. Monday pressure be I'm not bahade.
Monday.
Yeah, my birthday. It's not Monday, so.
I just baby.
Perfect time, but Corona.
Oh, Sister Monday be there.
No, this year, no, Sister Monday. Yeah. It's no.
Don't worry, baby.
Me say I give to no fan breast to the eye.
This is the baby.
The baby, I better them. Enjoy, baby.
Wow. Hold on, no, no.
The baby was studio.
COVID, no.
But social distancing, you know, we have to practice social distancing. Okay, thank you for watching. This has been Showbiz Buzz, and my name has been Sikawo. And you can also get interactive with me on social media via Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Miss Wallman. I send a message. I will be up there. We should be birthday and answer the day. And also, any business, you can also contact us via our social media platforms at IDHA TV on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. But don't forget to go on YouTube and then go and download. Go and subscribe to our YouTube channel at IDHA TV. And also, we have a group on Facebook, Friends of Ideas. So come search for us and also join. Yeah, invite a friend to also come on board.
I've been doing that. Invite friends. I invite people.
Magic you
can invite people. I said they can invite ideas. You guys should invite people.
But you're showing happen. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you same time on Friday. Bye bye. Stay safe.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumeza idun where I am Pobwa. And Pobwa sort here desert, loafers, lippers nade. Say Pemu works nada, Ebo Emmanuel into Blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan or Facebook. I may put that here a boom. A Pemu location so I may a Greek. Minome 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.